I'm just a dude with his drawer full of junk. Whatever shall I do with this junk? Just look. I have an idea. Oh, that didn't work. Well, what I could do with this. Okay, so should we use the helix or the powerforce? Well, I only have one bag for that, so I'm using the helix. So to use it, what you have to do is you have to go, if you have carpet like this, then you might want to have it on the setting right there. And then what you will want to do if you want to get a deeper clean, don't go to the high carpet, that's the bare floor setting. That's the deep carpet setting. So what you're going to do is you're going to unwrap your vacuum cleaner, grab the plug, go to the wall, and you will want, don't do that, that's just a dumb idea. What you'll want to do is grab the two ends of the plug, make sure the clip is at the end, like facing toward the floor, and put it in. Now that you've got power to your machine, it should turn on. And as you can see, I put in a combo tool, so that's nice. And if you don't have suction in your hose, it could be that your hose isn't all the way hooked on, so you have to get that checked every once in a while. So to put it in, these two tabs, as you can see, line up with these two tabs. Going to put that there. Nope. Put it there. And twist it to the right, and then with the hose, just clip it there, unplug it when you're done, plug it back in when you're using it. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is, as you can see, I've made this massive mess, and I have like no idea what to do, and I definitely don't want to vacuum today. I guess I have to. Well, whatever. So the model number is right there. Always check the hose there for clogs. That hose always seems to clog up when you suck up big clumps like that. So grab your cord, put it over your shoulder, like so. Easy to vacuum with your foot. Push it. Should do that. If you drop it, it'll just do this. And do not lift it by the cord. What you're wanting to do is grab it by the handle. It literally has hand in the name. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put that, you can put it down, so normally it'll just go up like that, but if you put it down, it goes down again. So we're going to start by pushing down the foot pedal. And the red button in the back, if you're wondering, is the power button. So we're going to put the foot pedal down, and we're going to turn it on, and then we're going to vacuum that big old mess of my room that I accidentally caused. So yeah, here we go. we're gonna see how much it has picked up. Grabbing my bin to the left, pulling out. Did a pretty decent job, if I would say so myself. For the filter, pretty good. Put that in to the right. Kind of have to go up and down like that to the right. Then go to your plug. And wrap your machine up, going up, down, and up, down, up, down. So if it gets tangled like this, try pulling it, because sometimes if it gets tangled, you can literally just pull the cord and it's not really tangled. And with the clip, just gonna clip it on. So it picked up about that much. I'll use this one in the next video, the powerforce. So yeah, and I'll be doing a how to replace your belt soon. And deep clean videos. So I hope you liked my video today, and please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Bye bye. Dexter's Vacuums is out.